Alright, what's up guys? Yeah, so last thing I filmed was the track day, and I believe I mentioned it in that video, and if I didn't, we need to do a clutch on the G. Well, we don't need to, but clutch is kind of showing signs that it's on its way out. So, try and do a clutch before bash, because that'd be kind of not fun if the car, well, if the clutch went out while I was out there, because yeah, I was supposed to be driving for 3 days, and if the clutch is blown, it's not fun. So yeah, this will be the start of it. We're gonna do the clutch and my oil cooler kit, which I have in the house right now. I didn't grab, but quick little side note, picked up some OEM Toyota Mark II rain guards for the Cressida. JT found them on Yahoo Auctions last night, or not last night, a couple weeks ago, and pretty much gave me a nod towards them. So picked those up, picked them up from him last night, and yeah, so if I can do this, yeah, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done tonight. Same thing with tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a dinner to go to, so. But yeah, I figured we'll see how far we get. First things first, gonna have to pull the shifter, probably drain fluids. I'm gonna drain the engine also, drain the oil, because got to do an oil change. Well, figured I might as well do an oil change while I'm doing the oil cooler kit. And yeah, maybe drop the drive shaft also out of the car. I mean, I gotta pull the exhaust. That's not gonna be fun. Well, we'll figure that out, but I don't even know what I'm showing you guys, but yeah, O2 sensor plugs bolted to the trans. Also got this brace thing. Cats. This. I might see if maybe I can snake the drive shaft out with only taking the Y pipe out of the car. But there's the drain bolt. Get this thing drained. Oh, someone flip around. Looks like someone already heat sleeved the clutch line, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, this is where I'll be living for the next couple days. Yeah, so I'm probably going to try and do a better job at filming with this one. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys down, grab some tools, and I guess just get started. I'm probably going to start off with draining fluids. So both the engine and the transmission. I should have enough oil drain pans, which actually, let's go take a look at that, see what I got. So, little update also, I don't know if you guys care. I mean, there's the carpet for the G, but yeah, the little tent that we did the trailer with, I put it over here, so the Ruckus, it's got a little parking spot, and then all my wheels, and Cressida doors and fenders, G doors, and then the hood from my first Corolla. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but I picked up Eli. Eli gave me his old bash bar, so we'll see what we do with that. And I just keep getting sidetracked. Finally got my transmission jack back. That'll come in handy. And my oil jugs. What is full? That feels full. That feels empty. I was hoping to have 2 of these so I could have both the transmission and the engine draining at the same time. But it is what it is. Probably drain the trans first. Let me get you guys all set up. We'll get this thing drained. Hopefully you guys can see under here. I doubt it, so I can barely see. Gotta get fine one. Probably this one. There's 10. bring it down sockets about, here's 10. Bring it down sockets about, here we go. Fuck, it's bigger than that. Come on, please. Oh, it's 10, start around the pool. See how bad my transmission is. What the heck? Grab you guys, bring you guys closer. So I don't know if you guys can see, but that fluid actually looks clean. That is very surprising. Yeah, I guess next step is try and get the shifter. Yeah, that'll probably do it for tonight. Fun stuff, got a lot done. Realistically, if I wanted to, which I didn't even look at what time it was, probably could have the transmission done tonight. I would probably just be dead at work tomorrow. So, yeah, tomorrow, depending on how long dinner takes and what time I go to dinner, either have the transmission out tomorrow or Thursday, and if I remember correctly, my clutch kit shows up either tomorrow or Thursday, so the transmission could definitely be going back in Thursday night as well, because it's just pull it out, pull the old clutch off, clean everything, slap all the new stuff in, put the trans back in. So yeah, very, very surprised with how easy so far that is, because I just remember every time when we have to pull the transmission out of this, and it's kind of sucks. The only thing that sucks about the G is the amount of harness stuff that runs into the transmission. Like there's one which talks about it in the GoPro, but one plug that I can't really get because it's like right there up against the tunnel. But with that being said, see you guys later.